Okay, we've landed in the Maldives, Mali. We're going to our bungalows. 45-minute speedboat drive. You can go in the ferry there, as you can see in the background. But ours is a 45-minute speedboat drive, and they're all here waiting. 45 minutes drive. It's going to be absolutely awesome. There's the city of Mali in the distance. That's not where we're going. We are going to the Maldives, so we are going to go look at the boats all over the show. Absolutely fantastic, great stuff. Oh yeah, I'm coming. Give me a minute. Truly beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely phenomenal. Just look at that. Gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful, truly beautiful. Look at that. So yeah, I'm getting ready now for my cruise. It's going to happen shortly. Absolutely awesome.